Welcome friends in our Panasonic Robot training how to use the Teach-Pendent. This is the part 47 and here we discuss restart of the advanced error recovery function. The robot movements after restart vary with how the function was ended as follows. Condition: when the function was ended. Movements after restart. First, when the robot is in the hold state during back step or forward step operation. Second, when the robot is stopping at the marked step. Third, when the robot is in the hold state while returning to the error stopped point. The robot resumes operation from the position it was held. For example, in case that the function was ended at a position between P4 and P5 during back step operation. If the robot is restarted after executing manual operation, the first movement of the robot is to move to P5. Fourth, when the robot is in the hold state while executing the called program, the robot does not execute the remaining part of the called program. The robot first returns to the marked step and then starts with the command right after the R mark command. Next is teach mode operation during the advanced error recovery operation. It is possible to switch the mode to teach mode and move the robot manually. However, the contents of the program won't be displayed. Manual operation types available. Manual operation except trace operation, inching and gas check, input output monitor, output status change and output reset, display change not available, tracing, editing, cursor operation. This procedure you can see in this image. Next is input output comment, import input output comment, export outline. Input output comment import is a function that facilitates change of user input output terminals data settings such as terminal name and comment using CSV file, comma separated variables, a text file that uses commas to separate variables created on a PC, and so on. With this function, names and comments of the user input output terminals can be set easily at the time of installation. Comment export is a function to export input output terminal data such as terminal names and comments to a memory card as CSV file. This function is useful to make a copy of input output settings of a robot to another robot. Next one is applicable terminals. User input terminals 1 bit, 4 bit, 8 bit, 16 bit. User output terminals 1 bit, 4 bit, 8 bit, 16 bit. Next one is file format. One line is for one setting. Separate each data such as setting name, terminal name, comment with a comma. Setting name. Name is distinguished by the software, therefore it is necessary to follow the rules below. Name should be written in 1 byte characters. Name should be written in the following format. I. Terminal type input output 1. Terminal size 1 bit, 4 bit, 8 bit, 16 bit. Second 0 for terminal. Enter a 4-digit number or smaller including 0. Here you can see example in this box. Input terminals, output terminals, etc. Terminal name up to 20 bytes. Comment line. Start the line with a semicolon. Then the line is recognized as a comment line and is skipped in the import processing. This format is useful to keep the file neat. Note: if a file containing more than the specified number of characteristics is imported, characters after the specified number are ignored. So friends, here we end this part of our Panasonic robot training, and further information we will discuss in our next video.